Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a budget-friendly microphone, the Behringer XM8500. I will go over specs, features, and provide audio samples. So let's take a look. The microphone comes with a plastic storage case, and inside you get the microphone stand attachment and the microphone. Going over some specs, this is a cardioid dynamic microphone, 150 ohms impedance, minus 70 dB sensitivity, 50 Hz to 15 kHz bandwidth, gold-plated XLR connector, a shock mount system to cut down on handling noise, integrated spherical wind and pop noise filter, and it weighs in at 240 grams. Taking a look at the microphone, it feels solid with its all-metal construction. Towards the top, you have the branding. You have a solid metal grill as well. And on the bottom, you have the male XLR connector. Now for some audio samples. I'll start off with the Behringer XM8500. Then I'll switch over to a more expensive microphone, the Sennheiser MK4, for a bit of comparison. No EQ or post-processing will be applied. Now you're hearing the audio from the Behringer XM8500. I'm about 6 inches away from the microphone. I'll read some phrases. The source of the huge river is the clear spring. Kick the ball straight and follow through. A pot of tea helps to pass the evening. Smoky fires lack flame and heat. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Take the winding path to reach the lake. The frosty air passed through the coat. Place a rose bush near the porch steps. Now you're hearing the audio from the Sennheiser MK4 microphone. I'll read some phrases. The source of the huge river is the clear spring. Kick the ball straight and follow through. A pot of tea helps to pass the evening. Smoky fires lack flame and heat. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Take the winding path to reach the lake. The frosty air passed through the coat. Place a rose bush near the porch steps. Okay, hopefully you heard some differences between the XM8500 and the MK4. Also, during the duration of this video, the audio you were hearing was from the Behringer XM8500. So here are my thoughts on the microphone. Build and quality is solid and it feels durable. The audio is clear and clean and there's warmth to the sound. For $25, this is a steal and it performs like a higher end microphone. This can definitely be used for voiceovers, streaming, podcasts with no issues. If you're looking for a microphone that won't break the bank, this is definitely something to put on your list. So that is my review of the Behringer XM8500 microphone. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.